Good day, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, please subscribe. Today we'll be making chocolate puff puff. The recipes are these on the table. For those of you who have always been with us, thank you for always being there with me. The recipes are baking powder. We have the cocoa powder, that's a tablespoon of cocoa powder. We'll be adding our yeast. A teaspoon of yeast will do. Yes, a teaspoon. We'll be adding a half a cup of sugar, half teaspoon of baking powder, because this recipe doesn't really need much baking powder. We'll be adding vanilla flavor. If you have chocolate essence, you can also add it to bring out the taste, but this is what I have and this we do. We'll be adding water now for mixture. I'll be pouring all the water because I would like to see where this one will take us to. We are going to mix it. If water is not enough, you will have to add more water to it until it is thick enough to be a paste. You're going to mix it very well until it is well incorporated. As you can see, I'm trying to make sure all the ingredients are well blended. This recipe is very easy to make. You can see how it looks like. Now we are going to use our cling film to cover it for some time until the yeast activates, that is, the pastry will double its size. We're going to leave it for some minutes. We don't know the exact time. You can see how it looks like. So I'm going to leave it for some time. You can see it is double its size now. So it is ready to be fried. You put it in a hot oil and fry. You know, this is a chocolate puff, so it will look brownish inside, but it will be deep brown when it is ready. As you can see, it is deeper. This is it. Thank you for being with us.